Hi everyone, my name is Maddie Weiner and I am a cartoonist and I live here in Louisville, and I'm going to tell you about my favorite tool, which is my lettering guide. And you use a lettering guide when you're making cartoons and comics and graphic design and things like that, and you need to make sure that your words look nice and even and straight and are all the same size. And the way you do that is you use this little guide which spins to different sizes, which are marked here on the bottom. And then you take a piece of paper and you use your T-square to sort of make a flat surface. And then you move this along the T-square and you use a pencil. I use my non-photo blue pencil so it doesn't show up when I scan it to the computer. And you make these little lines, and they can be small lines or big lines, and all the lines are the same space apart so that you can use them to make letters in your speech bubble. And here's an example of a page that's not finished, and you can see all the blue letters and the blue lines. And when it's finished, I just draw over the blue letters and the blue lines with black ink. And then when I scan it to the computer later, the blue doesn't show up. So it makes things really easy, and it makes the words look like part of the drawing instead of just using the computer font, which is okay too, but I like to use my lettering guide. I hope you're staying happy and healthy.